I looked up on the internet how long I had till retiring. It scared me, and I said, yeah, why not? Let's do it. Let's take some months off and let's do it. Hi, my name is Estela, and I'm going to give you a tour of my van, Rogetta. This is my entry. So here I have all the books. I like to read many books, and this is a bookshelf I have. And here is my shoe storage. This is the bathroom, lovely shower, and the potty.
How many liters water tank do you have?
I have 70-liter tank.
Okay. And grey water tank?
Same. The bathroom shower has a lovely wide door, which I like very much because it gives you privacy. Because at the beginning we were talking about like transparent or translucid, and I didn't like the idea because if you have your door open because it's hot and you want to have some privacy, it's good that you really have like a solid door. This is one of the chairs I have, and it's also used for storage in here. This is my breakfast, lunch, dining table, everything. I also work here sometimes.
And it's you can make it an extra bed from it?
Yeah, I can make an extra tiny bed. So by taking this out, and we make the like the table flat, we can put another one of these cushions.
And then you can use that table outside.
And we can also use it outside by also taking this out and clapping it here.
How did you come with this idea to build a van, to buy a van, and to hit the road?
To be honest, I looked up on the internet how long I had till retiring.
Okay.
It scared me.
Yeah.
And I said, yeah, why not? Let's do it. Let's take some months off and let's do it.
So just quit the job?
Yeah, just not really. I didn't quit it, but just took a break.
So you're channeling on savings now for the ideas?
Yeah, and I also get some government money because I'm allowed to some government money from a job I had in the past.
Yeah. So how long do you plan to do this?
At the beginning, I thought till September because I'm working as a teacher now.
Okay.
So I thought, okay, maybe so I come back to work in September for the next school year. But now I really don't know. I don't want to think about it. I just want to enjoy the experience. And so this is the kitchen window with blinds and also mosquito net. It's good. The sink, food storage, also kitchen supplies, and
Mobile gas stove?
yeah, the mobile kitchen, so you can cook inside or on the table or outside. Yes.
For the water, what kind of heater do you have?
Gas.
Gas heater.
Yeah.
And you have a gas tank somewhere as well?
Yeah, on the back.
On the back. Okay.
Yeah, like a very small gas bottle.
So basically gas is just for the heater?
Just for the heater. And then the heating goes with the gas. Diesel tank, yeah. So this is the small fridge with a small freezer. Nice, with some cold beers. And then, yeah, more storage in here for food and toiletries. And here's another seat. And inside it's all the electrical system. I mean, battery and all the connections. And also here's the water level to check how
Fresh water tank.
Yes, fresh water.
And for
tank.
grey you don't have. Basically when you're out of the water.
Yes, when it's full,
Yeah.
this little red light just
Indicates.
indicates. Yeah.
Okay.
But it's usually when this is empty, this is full, because I usually, do do the same at the same time. So, and this is the bed. It's a fixed bed. Here I have more storage. Usually I just put clothes. In here I have some toiletries and books and things I use.
And the skylight.
Yes. Also with mosquito net or blind.
How was the building process? So you didn't build by yourself, but you ordered it.
Yes, I ordered
And you
it.
had in mind already design what you want?
I knew that I wanted a shower inside. I mean, this was a must for me because I wanted to travel in winter and I wanted to be as independent as possible. And I also wanted a fixed bed because in the past, I traveled a lot with vans, where you have to build a bed. So I know it takes up space, so you really can't have it all. But for me, it was my decision was to have the fixed bed. So I have more storage space inside. I mean, it's a bit messy, but there are more storage, and it's divided. So apart from it, I can take out from here, and then there's some garage, It's a 2008 Volkswagen Crafter. When I bought it, it had about 200,000 kilometers.
And how much you have done now?
Like 30,000.
That's a lot. In what time of period have you?
I have it since August.
Okay. Oh, you travel a lot.
So I traveled a lot. Yeah.
And what was the cargo price?
I bought
Everything together.
Everything
What is
together.
the total price?
28,000 euros.
How it's been so far working for you? Is it how you imagined it to be on the road?
Yeah, I'm really loving it. I mean, it's like a whole new experience. I've been driving and traveling on my own, so I'm changing my relationship with myself. I don't know how to put it, but yeah, it's different.
And if you would start it from the scratch, would there something you would change? You would do differently?
Yes, I would probably do more research and probably choose other people to make the work for me. I trusted some people because we had acquaintances in between, so I don't know. I trusted them, and I really thought they knew what they were doing, but it didn't turn out as
you expected.
As I expected. Yeah.
And do you know about insulation? How thick it is, and I don't know.
I should know, but I don't remember. I mean, I know, but I don't remember. This is the garage. The garage is divided into two parts. Here we have the fresh water tank, the water pump, and over there is the water heater. And here we have like the gas tank for the water heater.
How long it lasts? Approximately.
Well, this is the one that came with the van, and I think it's almost empty. But I haven't.
Refill it yet.
I need to change it, yeah, and refill it. But you have to take into account that for a long time, the water pump didn't work. Okay. Then the water heater didn't work. So for a long time, I didn't use it. So that's why it's still the same. And then in here I have some things that I use on the outside, like an umbrella or chairs. In here you have like to fill the water tank. And this is the fan for the water heater, the Trumo.
Thank you for showing your van. And is there somewhere where you document your travels and people can reach you out and see your van, more pictures and everything else?
Yeah, you can follow us on La Villa and Rogetta on Instagram.
Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next one. Bye.